Welcome to BikeZone Pro, your go-to channel for the latest updates on cars and bikes. Today, we have exciting news. Maruti Suzuki has revived an icon. The legendary Omni van is back in 2025 with a fresh design, modern features, and improved safety. Let's dive into what makes this new Omni a game-changer. Design and exterior. The 2025 Omni retains its signature boxy shape but with a modern twist. The front features a sleek grille, LED headlights, and a stronger bumper. The side profile remains practical with sliding doors, making entry and exit easier in tight spaces. At the rear, updated taillights and a larger boot add to its practicality. Interior and comfort. Step inside and you'll notice a major upgrade in the cabin. The Omni now offers a touchscreen infotainment system, digital instrument cluster, and more comfortable seats with better cushioning. The dashboard layout is simple yet functional, designed for both passenger and cargo variants. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Omni is powered by a 1.0 LK series petrol engine, delivering improved fuel efficiency and performance. Maruti has also introduced a CNG variant, catering to those looking for an economical option. The van comes with a 5-speed manual transmission, ensuring a smooth driving experience. Safety and features. Maruti has significantly improved the Omni's safety. The van now comes with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, reverse parking sensors, and a high-strength body structure to meet modern crash safety norms. This makes it a much safer option compared to its predecessor. Price and launch date. The expected price of the 2025 Omni starts from 5.5 Indian rupees lakh, making it one of the most affordable multi-purpose vehicles. Maruti is set to launch the new Omni by mid-2025, and bookings may start soon. Final thoughts. The 2025 Maruti Suzuki Omni is a perfect blend of nostalgia and modern engineering. Whether you need a family van or a commercial workhorse, the new Omni is ready to deliver. What are your thoughts on this comeback? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned to BikeZone Pro for more updates. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest automobile news. See you in the next video.